Albert Murring, a prominent youth leader from Bhoi and a resident of Umdap Dumu village under Nongpo constituency, has appealed to the electorate of Bhoi to uphold peace and harmony during the upcoming MDC elections to the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Councils and Janda Hills Autonomous District Council, scheduled for February 21st. Speaking to the media, he expressed deep concern over the increasing prevalence of hate speech among political party leaders and candidates during campaigns for the MDC elections.
Mi kata kajingnya buat politik haduk bakala wanra ka kendrum kendram haduk kilong ying kilong sam ki kamkur kamjat ki kam senang kam thau ki kam balang bat kumju haka imlang kasalang haduk bang yang menang syuk ban penyaphar kat haka no ka kam kala mi bat kata kajingnya sengau parti handrai haka bakut hi unau bajob kum unau mi khmat ka thong kalong ban sakri ya ki pajba haka no ka rukom ka benta na ka benta kajing biet jing biang jong ki pajba nong song song mangi kum ki pajba ni hapan ya imlang kum kawai ka kenhun hapuk ki imlang salang la kadai haka kam senang kam thau ka imlang salang ka kam balang bat kum tar bat ka jing kentu kalong bangin long ki bajajai bangin kiar na kita kijing ya kawang kiti kijing ya ban parti kijing kento persya iwei pat kenang bakan namdan kano ka jing huri hura bakan nami kano ka jing ya umsnam ka jing sungsi hapua ka imlang salang jungi